Right, meat mission for the day. Hey Bambi. They're an incredible animal. They have a habit of holding on to life very strongly. Probably one of the reasons why they've become so prevalent up here. But I don't believe in letting them suffer if I can avoid it. So a quick end sorts that out. Zero eye response, no eye response. A little bit high. What was that range? Oh, that's why. It was about 150, so it's 2 inches high. That's where it should have been. Anyway, very nice. We will take the 2 hindquarters and back straps, and the rest of it I will drag to a trap site tomorrow. So I'll pull the meat, put it in the ute, drag this down to the corner, and then drag it to the end trap site. Oh, I know a lot of people might find this sad, but it's you got to understand there's thousands of these things out here. They're not supposed to be here. And plus they taste very, very good. Cattle bones. There's a good stag who lives here. He won't be hard by the time I get here, so, or while I'm here, so. Did we exit? I reckon we probably did. Oh yeah, it's alright. She's a little bit more of a quarter than I was expecting. Wow, they stretch that skin so hard, eh? Pretty coat, really pretty coat. How about you close them up, darling? She lactating? I reckon she might have a belly full of arms and legs. Anyway, we'll grab the blade off of the legs. Good neck, eh? Bit of fat on him. Whoops. Still got a fair bit of nerve response here, even though it is very, very dead. That is just how hardwired these animals are, nerve-wise. Whoops, I missed a stack. Less finicky pulling a buffalo backstrap out, isn't it? Beautiful. Hang that over the bull bar. Let it cool down a little bit. Pull the other one. Whoops. Hit the pelvis there. It's hard working in reverse. Come over here, darling. Here we go. Good girl. Oh, that'll help. Hope I've got the camera tilted right this time. Kind of looks right when you set it up. Oh, twitched its way off the bull bar. No. She'd be sweet. I'll stew that one and no one will notice the difference. Oh, back legs. Look at that fat. Nice and close in there. Without hitting the gut bag. That's the pop. Underneath there. Oh, there we go. Beautiful meat. Absolutely gorgeous meat. Come on, darling. Flick over. There we go. Crikey, I missed a slab. Where? Oh, it's up there. A little bit, not much. Alright. Right, so we're going to get this one ready for a drag. And I will push it through there and around into there. Should be able to poke through there. Get that blade down there without cutting my finger. There we go, we're through. I've got a green rope here somewhere. What do I do with the green rope? There it is. Green rope, built for this. Built for towing deer. Or pigs. Still cranking. Still cranking. There we go. Well, that is some free range dinner for me and an unwasted bait for trapping. My goodness, the fat is just stuck to everything. My hands are greasy. I cannot wait to cook this little critter. Alright. Alright, well, that's just about us done. Bit of a sunset. Cool. Righto. Catch you on the next one.